Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 3, Illustration 9. From the following balance sheet of Brinda and Pravina, who share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:4, calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2017. Closing balance sheet is given here, that is 31st December 2017. Brinda and Pravina's closing capital is given here. Profit and loss appropriation 10,000 rupees. Sundry assets is given here. Apart from that box, they have given additional information, that is on 1st July 2017, Brinda introduced additional capital 6,000 rupees, and 1st October 2017, Pravina introduced additional capital 10,000 rupees. Okay. Drawings for Brinda and Pravina during the year is 5,000, 7,000 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 31,000 rupees. So what they didn't given? They didn't given opening capital. So to find out opening capital, we are going to prepare the format, that is, listen, if the beginning of the capital is not given, we have to follow this format, that is, end of the capital, we have to add a drawing with the end of the capital, and the capital withdrawn during the year we have to add it with the end of the capital. But capital withdrawn during the year, according to this new syllabus, they didn't given in this chapter capital withdrawn during the year, so we need not consider about the capital withdrawn during the year. So we have to add a drawing with the end of the capital. With that answer, we have to subtract profit credited during the year, and we have to subtract additional capital with that end of the capital. From that answer, you will get opening capital, that means capital at the beginning. Okay. So as per this format, we have to create the column, that is particulars, partners in name. We have to, if you have 3 partner, 4 partner, how many partners, you have to create a separated column for the given partners. Okay. So here Brinda and Pravina, 2 partners here, so we have to write that their name. Okay. So what's the amount for end of the capital? That is, Brinda's capital is 30,000, Pravina's capital is 40,000 rupees respectively. We entered. We have to add drawings with the capital. Brinda's drawing 5,000 rupees and Pravina's drawing 7,000 rupees. After added, you will get 35,000 and 47,000 respectively. Less additional capital. Listen, additional capital introduced during the year, Pravina is 10,000 rupees. Brinda's additional capital 6,000 rupees. Pravina's additional capital 10,000 rupees. So as per the format, we have to add the additional capital, then we have to subtract the additional capital. Okay. Then we have to subtract profit already credited. Listen, they have given 2 kinds of profit. One, we have the profit within the box. Okay. Profit and loss 10,000 rupees within the box, and apart from the box, we have the another profit, that is profit earned during the year, 31,000. So if you have 2 profits in the question, you have to subtract 31,000 minus 10,000 rupees, you will get 21,000. Listen, they have given the notes. Profit credited equal to profit earned 31,000 minus balance profit as per the balance sheet. You have the balance profit as per the balance sheet, you have 10,000 rupees profit. So that 10,000 rupees you have to subtract it from 31,000, you will get 21,000 rupees profit. From that 21,000 rupees profit, this amount is to be distributed in the profit sharing ratio as per 3:4. Okay. So you have to write clearly, you have to show clearly for profit sharing ratio in the answer sheet, the public examination. So Brinda's ratio is 3 and Pravina's ratio is 4. In this 3:4 ratio, they have divided their profit, sharing their profit. So profit is 21,000 rupees. So for 21,000 rupees into 3 by 3 plus 4, 7. In denominator, you have to enter the total ratio. Okay, 7. Then you have to cancel it. 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9. This T0 is to be here. So Brinda's profit is 9,000 rupees and Pravina's is 21,000. From the 21,000 you have to cancel it. 1 7 is 7, 3 sevens are 21, 3 fours are 12, this 330 is to be here. So we have to cross check it. So for the 12,000 plus 9,000 you will get 21,000. So we shared profit correctly. Okay, so as per that ratio 3:4, Brinda's profit is 9,000 rupees and Praveena's profit is 12,000 rupees respectively. Then we have to subtracted additional capital and profit. Okay, after subtracted you will get 20,000 rupees for Brinda and Praveena get 25,000 rupees. This is the opening capital for Brinda and Praveena. Okay, now we are going to calculate interest on capital. What is the rate of interest on capital? It is at the rate of 6%. Okay, interest on capital. So at the rate of 6% we are going to calculate the interest on capital. Listen, the opening capital for the year 1 year. How can you calculate 1 year? Listen, opening capital date is given here, that is 1st January 2017, right? Balance sheet as on at the end of the every year they are going to prepare the balance sheet, that is 31st December 2017. So 1st January 2017 to 31st December 2017, exactly 1 year, right? So you are going to calculate the interest on capital for 1 year for opening capital. Why do you write opening capital? If they given additional capital you have to mention opening capital 1 year. If they given additional capital, the period of the capital they have given, so you have to exactly given the period year. So on opening capital period is exactly 1 year. Okay, so the amount of opening capital is 20,000 into rate of interest is 6%. So now we have to cancel it. After cancel 20, you will get 6 2s are 12, this 3020 is to be here 1,200 for first year interest on opening capital amount. Okay, 1,200 rupees. And on additional capital for Brinda is, listen, Brinda introduced additional capital dated on 1st July 2017. Okay, how much rupees? 6,000 rupees. So you have to calculate from 1st July to 31st December. At the end of the year they have given here 31st December. Okay, so July, August, September, October, November, December, totally 6 months. So July to December, 6 months. Okay, now you have to cancel it. Listen, 1666, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, this 20 is to be cancelled for this 20, remaining 60 into 3, 6 3s are 18, this 0 is to be here, totally 180 rupees. Okay, so interest on capital, additional capital is 180 rupees. After added that we are going to find out total interest on capital. So for that you have to add 1,200 plus 180, you will get 1,380 rupees interest on capital for Brinda. Now next we are going to calculate Praveena's interest on capital. Opening capital for Praveena's opening capital is 25,000 rupees. Okay, so 25,000 into 6 by 100 means is 6%. So this 20 is to be cancelled for this 20, remaining 250 into 6, 6 5s are 30, remaining 3, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, this 0 is to be here, 1,500 rupees for interest on opening capital. Then additional capital introduced during the year is on 1st October 2017, Praveena introduced 10,000 rupees. That means additional capital introduced on 1st October 2017. So you have to calculate on 1st October to 31st December, October, November, December. There are 3 months between them. Okay, so October to December, 3 months means 3 by 12. Okay, 12 months out of 3 months out of 12. Okay, additional capital 10,000 rupees, rate of interest 6 by 100, interest on period is 3 by 12. Now we have to cancel it. Now we are going to cancel it. Okay, 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, then 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. This 2 0 is to be cancelled for this 2 0, remaining this 0 is to be here and into 3. Okay, so 50 into 3 equal to 150 rupees. So 150 rupees for interest on additional capital. Then you have to find out the total interest on capital. So for that you have to add 1500 plus 150, you will get 1650 rupees. Do you have any doubt? Please subscribe my channel, comment it in the comment box. Thank you, take care.